There are only 3 slots left. Can you believe it? What have you gotten out of your advent calendar? Let's dig into slot 23 and see what this slot holds for us today. We've got a full pack of Destined Rivals. Get the code card out of here. Pull the pack. Just one to the front. Flip it. We've got a basic energy. We've got Dottler. Got another Appling. Got a Meowth. That's right. Got a Zubat. Murkrow. A Claydol. Probopass. A Houndour. And another Claydol. Followed by a Zamzazam.